Right. So we're going to tell stories. Yeah? You all got a story. Something from you, from your heart. Okay? Who's going to go first? Anyone? No?
Oh, you go first, miss.
Oh, God. I don't...
Oh, go on, please.
All right. Once upon a time, there was a little girl, and she lived with her mum and her dad and her brother in a small town in Wales, and she always dreamed of becoming a princess. So when she grew up, she ran away to the big city, and she went to the Princess College. There is such a place. And she worked really, really hard, and all her dreams came true. And she kissed a lot of frogs. And anyway, she woke up one day, and she realized that she wasn't very happy. So she decided to go home to teach. And what's the moral of the story?
Be careful what you wish for.
Yes. Yeah.
Being a princess sucks.
Right, come on, who's got a story? Davy, you got a story. Okay, round two. Let's start with artists that we love. We're going to make a list, and then we're going to narrow it down. So, go on.
David Bowie.
Bowie. What else?
Pink Floyd.
Lloyd.
Led Zeppelin. Sabbath. Deep Purple. Rush. Yellow. ELP.
Thank you, Hoople. That's enough.
Dina.
Ramones. Iggy Pop.
Iggy. Hey. Vicky.
10cc.
10cc. Stella.
Beach Boys.
Yeah. Kenny.
Slade.
I'm putting it down, even if we cross it off.
Right, in this hall, the normal rules don't apply. Everything out there doesn't count. Forget about it. In here, you show up on time and you can do what you like. You can explore what you like. Ideas, emotion, that's the idea. Because I want to put on a show that William Shakespeare and David Bowie would be proud of. And that you will be proud of, most importantly. You in? Yes?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Yes.
Are you?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes?
Kenny? Yes?
Yes, miss.
Good. Excellent.